We left our bikes at the hotel and embarked on a charming hiking trail along a meandering stream. The path led us to a tower guarding the city's southern entrance. The old city is so preserved and beautiful. You can walk its mysterious alleys for hours. The next day, we set out for another tour of the old city. Racing to the same southern gate. That's where we waved Tábor farewell and continued along the river. After a day with quite a few ups and downs, we arrived at this astonishing castle overlooking a vast golf course. Nestled beneath its imposing walls lay a beautiful street, its charm amplified by a church and a welcoming array of restaurants. Riding alongside the gentle river with the serene company of ships offers a tranquil and delightful journey. But the true gem of our adventure is yet to come. The city of Česká Budějovice is full of charm. We stopped to rest in the main square, admiring the Renaissance and Baroque-style houses. As we navigated the final bends of our journey, only a few kilometers from our destination, anticipation hung in the air like a dense fog. Nothing prepared us for what we saw next. At the end of a long and rainy riding day, we arrived at the diamond in the crown. The fairy tale-like city of Český Krumlov lies in the bend of the Vltava River. The city center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Strolling through its streets is a journey back to the Middle Ages. Dominating its skyline is a church, standing sentinel on a hill, facing a palace once guarded by bears. Surrounding the royal structures are majestic gardens and a variety of points offering breathtaking views. Český Krumlov, second only to Prague as a beacon for travelers, boasts a wide variety of fine dining options and cafes serving exquisite coffee. A stroll away, one can discover the Rose Garden and the home of the artist Egon Schiele. A stone's throw from this cultural treasure is the Český Krumlov Synagogue, another jewel in the city's crown. If you like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel.